So here I'm gonna review this part, the widget build function, because I felt like it was complicated, and I'll try to do my best to explain it well. So here we start with the return material app, and inside of it home, then this scaffold class. Inside this scaffold class we have the body. What body means? It means this part of the screen where all elements are displayed. So here, for example, we can add an app bar if we want. Let's see an example. App bar. Then title. And this title has a type of text. We can display an image if we want. So let's write something. Whether app. Just click Control S. Let's see. See, here we have this app bar. So here we don't really need it, so I'm going to remove it. I just wanted to show you how to add an app bar. So I'm going to remove it now. Then inside the scaffold we have the body, then this column widget, and as we mentioned earlier, the column widget is a multi-child widget, so it's going to have a list of widgets. So let me just close out these widgets to make it easy for you to look at. Close this one and this one. Okay, now this column has 4 widgets. These are its children. So the first container, the first widget, this container has a child, and this child is an image, has this image, which is the background image, as you can see here. And the second container widget, it has only one child, which is this text, you are in, which is this part. Then the third container widget, it has only one child, and this child is a row. And as I mentioned before, row is a multi-child widget. So it will have a list of widgets. Like for example here, it has 2 containers. The first one holds a text. The first child holds a text. And the second container, it has only one child, and it holds an icon. And the last widget here, so these 2 widgets are part of this row. It belongs to this row widget. So these are its children. So let's close it up. This card widget belongs to the column, and it has only one child. List title. That's all about it. Hope I made it clear enough.